Hi, my name is Dr. Sarah Dam, and I'm the International Student Liaison Officer in the Faculty of Law. I hope that you are enjoying your time studying at UTS and living in Sydney. Whether you are studying with us for a short time or have been in Sydney for many years already, the Faculty of Law is committed to ensuring that you have a rich and rewarding learning experience with us. But we also recognise that being an international student can create some distinct challenges that can impact on your studies. In this video, I will briefly explain the nature of my role and outline some of the additional support services the university and the faculty provide to help you if you experience difficulties while studying at UTS. The links to the services I refer to will be made available. First, let me explain my role a little further. As the faculty's International Student Liaison Officer, I'm here to offer you support and advice on any issues or challenges that you may face in relation to your studies as an international student. It may be that you're having difficulties organising your study load to meet your visa requirements, or perhaps you're struggling to understand the criteria of a particular assessment task, or you might be experiencing challenges with your mental or physical health. Regardless of the circumstances, you are welcome to reach out to me to see how the faculty and university can support you. This can be as simple as sending me an email to request a time to meet with me. I can offer you individual advice with course planning or academic performance issues, or guidance on subject enrolment, progression, or any other aspect of university life and student wellbeing. I can also connect you with other important support options and services in the faculty and in the university. I work closely with the Faculty of Law's Director of Students in order to support students experiencing academic difficulties or who may need to apply for permission to reduce their study load to comply with visa requirements. It is important to plan ahead if you anticipate needing to reduce your study load in a given session on the basis of academic difficulties, enrolment issues, or on compassionate grounds. If unexpected circumstances occur and impact your ability to undertake a full-time study load, please email me as soon as you can to discuss. The deadline for applications for permission to reduce your study load varies each session and is different from the census date. You can find more information about this application, including key dates, on the UTS Information for International Students website. Please also watch the welcome video from the Law Director of Students, as it contains additional important information for all students in the Faculty of Law, such as about applying for extensions to the due date of an assessment task. Beyond the law faculty, there are many critical support services in the university. I want to highlight just a few that may be of relevance to you. If stress, more serious mental and physical health issues are impacting your academic performance, please reach out to the UTS Counselling Service. It's free and it's confidential. If you're experiencing financial difficulties, please contact UTS Financial Help. They run important initiatives such as small grant schemes and can connect you with external emergency financial support options too. For course administration-related issues, including documents for visa extensions, please contact the UTS International Student Centre. They have student advisors to help you with problems that might prevent you from completing your course successfully. You can visit the Student Centre from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Monday to Friday. The centre is located on level 3A of the UTS Tower. Developing academic communication skills can be a difficult process, particularly if English is not your primary or preferred language. If you are struggling with subject materials or assessment tasks, including written assignments or oral presentations, please contact UTS Helps. UTS Helps is a unique service that offers free individual and group assistance with English language proficiency and academic language. The UTS Helps team supports students, including international students, to develop their written and spoken English. They run excellent academic language workshops, vacation-intensive courses, drop-in consultations, assignment support, individual appointments, and a buddy conversation program. In addition, the law faculty offers specific skills workshops for international students each session. These are informal workshops that allow you to develop and test your understanding of key areas of legal reasoning and legal communication, and I strongly encourage you to attend these sessions. Finally, I want to stress the importance of community and creating strong peer support networks. Being an international student can sometimes be overwhelming. Not only are you living in a new city, you may also be without your extended family, friends, or established social networks. Please do not hesitate to reach out to either myself or others in the Faculty of Law if you ever are feeling lonely or in distress. I will do my best to help you and can connect you with appropriate services. Throughout the session, you should carefully monitor announcements via Canvas, as well as your student email address. This is how teaching and administrative staff will communicate important information to you about your subjects. We also have a Canvas notice board specifically for international students in the law faculty. This is designed to create a sense of community amongst international students in the faculty. Please do check this notice board for information about upcoming events or specific resources that may be of relevance or interest to you as an international student. There is also a discussion board where you can connect with other international students in the faculty. You are welcome to use this to organise study groups or post about upcoming law-related events. I also strongly encourage you to make the most out of your time at UTS by getting involved in student life in the faculty and in the university. I want to mention just 2 ways that you can do this. First, the UTS Law Student Society, the LSS, has a range of exciting initiatives, including mentoring programs, mooting competitions, and social events. These are great opportunities to develop your legal skills and to make new friends. Second, the Law Faculty's Brennan Justice and Leadership Program similarly offers a unique opportunity for connecting with other like-minded students to explore critical contemporary issues of social importance. I encourage you to join this program and to familiarise yourself with its objectives and opportunities. To conclude, whether you're at the start of your law degree or nearing completion, or visiting UTS on an exchange semester, I hope that you know and appreciate how proud the faculty is of the diversity of knowledge and experiences that you as international students bring to our student community. I hope that you have a rich and enjoyable time at UTS Law. I hope to have the opportunity to meet with you, and I wish you all the best with your studies. Thank you.